Il-Minuta tibda issa. Kane Cali, artist. Kane, why is your artistic expression important to you?
I think being an artist is part of who you are. I don't think it's something I can find important or not. There's something, let's call it curiosity, that leads you to being one.
What was your journey leading into finding your artistic language?
It was a series of mistakes to some extent and curiosities, where I went into degrees which were not necessarily tailored to my personality, but of course you always retain skills and experiences with other people, and slowly, in a sense, the dots always match.
And what's next?
I'm currently working on a solo show. Andrew Borg Wirth is curating 31st of August at the School of Arts in Valletta.
Can you give us a little bit of a teaser?
It's about information, it's about empire, it's also about human potential and our desire for potential.